Shit. That shit sounded like some fuck shit right there. Already? Already scratching it up?
No gas.
Oh. Oh. This shit's heavy, bro. Yeah. Yeah, I saw him.
I was like, oh!
Yeah, I know. I was like, oh. Shit. Oh. $173 is crazy. What the fuck?
Bro,
You were cooking.
Then I started heading the hill and then went down to 170 and I stayed on it. I was like, oh, I'm just let off.
No. God damn.
You don't speak.
What the fuck? I'm just trying to get some rollers of you so I can send it to you.
Hell yeah.
And it's the wider view so you see everything.
Hell yeah.
So I'm looking forward to seeing what this looks like. It's a new type of recording that I don't really do, so fuck it. that?
That my truck.
Oh.
Well, they can kick rocks.
Fuck it. Who that? That bitch loud.
It is. We'll probably find them.
This would be a sick thumbnail. Here, do some.
Huh?
Go do some. Do your fucking thing. I don't know.
What?
Anything. Fucking do this shit if you really want to try it. There you go. Look at you being my thumbnail for today.
Gixxer Boi's alert.
Yeah. Classic.
Feel my fucking rear reflector starting to come off.
You gotta hit one of these.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
The cup one.
That's what I'm saying, man. Cool. That should be a frame enough for me to get it. Hopefully. You know what? Fuck it. Let's get a regular picture of that.
Yeah, doing like this. Like...
Here. Fuck it. Yes, sir.
And I'm the photographer.
Yes, sir. You want some?
Hey.
It's almost reflective too, so you can't see your face. Let's get one from like this angle. Oh, that looks sick. Now that actually looks sick as fuck.
Hell yeah. Send me them bitches.
We'll do, we'll do. Holy shit. Oh shit. Yo. Fuck the parking garage right here. Look at this view. This is perfect.
Oh.
That's what I'm saying. Hold on.
Hey,
Flip them around.
We get one bike at a time.
Okay.
Then we get both.
Alright, bet. That shit looks sick.
Do you want to pick with both of you behind the bikes?
What's up?
Do you want to pick with both of you behind the bikes?
Sorry, I can't
Do you
hear
want to pick
shit.
with both of you behind the bikes? Like a picture of you guys with the bikes?
You want to get a picture of us with the bike?
Do you guys want one?
Can you do that?
Yeah, of course.
That'd be sick. Fuck yeah.
Appreciate it, man. No problem.
Ooh. What's saying? Come on, Mr. Benz. Come on now.
People probably pissed.
Oh, I bet. This looks sick. That looks sick. That's a background photo right there.
Hell yeah.
Get that fucking... Wait, you want to go up top? See if we can get some good photos of that?
Managed to get up there, yeah.
Alright, bet. Let's see if they kick us out before we get up there.
We'll find out.
Damn right. shit. Yo. High baller. Yo. Yeah. Damn. Right there. Yo. If you want.
I ain't getting no top. Fuck that.
No?
That's too far of a drop.
Bro, that looks like a rally race right there. That shit would be fun as fuck.
Yo. Yo.
Hello?